Understanding IonContent scroll is the most essentials that you should know. We are going to enable the scroll event by adding this attribute in IonContent. So scroll events equal true. By enabling this, the scroll event will be logged for us. For this scroll event, many events that help us in scroll. So the first one is ionScrollStart that will identify when we started the scrolling. We will write it like this, ionScrollStart, then the name of the function that we want to initiate. The other one is ionScrollEnd, and this will determine when we are stopped scrolling. And again, we are initiating a function with name of our choice. Also, we have ionScroll, which will let us know all the scroll events that we are doing. So while scrolling, the period that we are doing the scroll, it will let us know. In the page, I'm having two buttons here for top and down, and I am initiating a function called down for down and top for going up. So this function role will be to scroll the content here to the end, and for top, it will scroll the content to the top. Also, I'm having three different cards, so the application will look with more content. If we are going to homepage.ts, for the scrollStart function, we will be logging a message called scrollStart. And for the scrollEnd, I want to log the message scrollEnded. I will save. See now, while start scrolling, it will give us a message that we started scrolling. And by ending, it will say ended. So, end, start, end. Once you start, it will let us know that we started, and while end, it will say it's ended. See now it started. Once I end the scroll, it will say it's ended. I will comment this one because now we know the role of each. For the scroll event here, I will console log e.detail. First of all, let us console log event only, and by doing this, it will give us all the information while scrolling. So here I'm scrolling. All the event of scrolling is logged for us. And if we open one of them here, we will see that a lot of information is logged for us. We have bubble, cancel bubble, detail, event, and many things that we can see here. I will be logging only e.detail, and by doing this we will be getting only the detail of the scroll. So while scrolling, I will get the position of the scroll. I will get all the numbers for the position of scroll, like current X, current Y, and so many things. Now let us work on these two navigation icons. And to do that, we have to add the view child by Angular core and to import the ionContent from Ionic Angular. Then in the class, I have to reference the ionContent. I will name it content. Now to make the ionContent go down, we have to write this .content . And here we can see so many functions that we can do. We will select scrollToBottom. scrollToBottom, it will accept a duration by number. We will do 1000, and that means 1 second. Now if we try the button here, it will go to the bottom by 1 second. For top, it's the same. This .content scroll to the top. It will accept the duration. I will give it maybe 4000. Now first let us scroll down. Then we will scroll up. See the delay, it's 4 seconds. And one bonus tip that I am going to show you is shrinking the header while scrolling. So to do this trick, we have to increase the height of the header. So I will be doing it by CSS. I will target the Ion toolbar. I will give it a margin of 18 pixels and transition. So while scrolling, the shrink will have an effect. I will make the font weight of the title to be bold. I will save. It will be like this. Now I will go to the HTML here. I want the Ion toolbar to accept the class, and this class will be a variable from the TypeScript. And now from homepage.ts, I will assign this variable to empty string. Now in the scroll here, in the console log.edetails, we have so many things that we can make use. I will make use of scrollTop value. So here, I will comment the console log because I don't want. I will do one conditional statement, and I want the condition based on the e.details.scrollTop greater than 100. In case of scrollTop is greater than 100, I want this .class equal class name of shrink, and else I will assign it to empty string. Now in the CSS, I have to make use of this shrink class. So I will assign it. Here I will make the margin equal 0. I will save it, and now you can see while scrolling, it will shrink when the scrollTop position is 100. And if it is less than 100, it will be with the default margin 18 pixel 0.